Greetings, this is another Loot Crate I'm creating. My name's Daniel, and this is my Loot Crate for the month. Got a couple days late, but here it is. Oh, alright. Right off the bat, oh, Dr. Emmett Brown, Great Scott. That's very cool. I collect these, so this will go quite well in my collection. Let's see. Batman, Batmobile, Doctor Who, another Batman. See Cat back there behind Godzilla. Alright, rock and roll. Oh, there's Firefly there. That'll go quite well with my stuff. Okay, I see a t-shirt here. Let's see. Oh, it's Bill and Ted. Be extant to another. Mighty cool. Nice. Very nice. I like that. That's cool. Okay. Back to the Future hoverboard replica. Okay. So I can get it open with one hand. Success. Interesting. Very cool. I like that. Very cool. Okay. Pin. With the flux capacitor on it. And back in time. Alright. And Doctor Who? What is this? Is this a poster? Okay. Doctor Who. Sonic Sport? Well, can't exactly duel Robin Hood with it, but that's pretty darn cool. And okay, party on. Very cool. Some pretty interesting stuff here. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, quite amusing. This is pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Alright. I'll have to wear that t-shirt and eat with the spork, maybe. Or maybe just look at it. Alright. Be excellent to one another.